Good afternoon, meteorologist Adrian Green in the ABC2 Weather Center, tracking a few scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through sections of the mid-Atlantic right now. We'll continue to deal with that activity as we head throughout the rest of this afternoon, right on through this evening. Right now, down the Inner Harbor, it's cloudy conditions along with warm and humid air, currently sitting at 84 degrees. Look at the dew point, 72. So very, very muggy as you do step out and about. Temperatures in the mid-80s from Timonium down towards Elkridge. We're at 84 in both Millersville and Edgewater, 85 right now in Centerville, and also coming in the mid-80s in Fredericktown. You can see Futurecast does continue to bring in some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms right through this evening. Throughout the overnight, could see some patchy fog develop, so look out for that tomorrow morning. For Father's Day, still featuring some more showers and thunderstorms, especially as we head towards the afternoon and evening. Into Monday, we really need to stay weather aware as we are going to be tracking a cold front moving into the region. That could bring in some strong, possibly severe thunderstorms Monday afternoon and Monday evening. So definitely keeping a very close eye on that. Behind that cold front, more comfortable air does return Tuesday and Wednesday, highs in the mid-80s with less humid air, feeling much more comfortable as we start off the season of summer.